Welcome to Door Installation 101, your comprehensive guide to installing a hollow metal door frame like a pro. Follow these step-by-step instructions, and soon you'll have a secure and perfectly fitted door frame for your project. Step 1. Gather your tools and materials. Make sure you have all necessary tools, including a drill, impact, screws, a level, a tape measure, a pencil, and of course, your hollow metal door frame. Safety first. Wear protective gear. Step 2. Measure and mark. Use a tape measure to determine the height and width of your door opening. Mark these measurements on the wall with a pencil. Ensure the markings are level and plumb for accurate installation. Step 3. Position the frame. Position the hollow metal door frame in the marked location. Ensure that the head of the frame is level. Use a level on the hinge side of the door frame to ensure it's perfectly plumb and adjust with shims as needed. Step 4. Place scrap pieces of drywall on all four corners of the door frame. This is to ensure that there is adequate space for the drywall contractors to install their drywall. Step 5. Level and plumb the door frame. Using shims in various places along the door jamb not only levels and plumbs the door frame, but also adds additional stability. Step 6. Ensuring your door spreader is set to the appropriate length, install the door spreader at the base of the door frame. Step 7. Remove your door spreader. During the removal of your spreader, ensure that the door frame does not walk or shift out of position. Step 8. Mark the inside of the door jamb on the floor. This marking is to indicate where your floor clip will be positioned to secure the middle of the door frame. Step 9. Removing the door frame. Repeat steps 3 and 4 in reverse order and remove the door frame. Removal of the door frame is necessary in order to install the floor clip. Step 10. Position the floor clip inside the markings on the floor made previously. Using the appropriate drill, create pilot holes for your clip. Step 11. Using an impact driver, fasten the clip to the floor using the proper fasteners recommended by the manufacturer for the material you are fastening to. Step 12. Addition of door clips. Each side of the door will receive 4 clips that slide into place. Evenly space the clips on each side. Step 13. Now that the clips are installed, position the door frame back into the opening, sliding the frame over the floor clip and securing in place. Repeating steps 3 and 4, you will add your scrap pieces of drywall to the 4 corners of the door frame. Check plumb and level, adding shims wherever necessary. Step 14. Once the door frame is plumb and level, bend the door clip tab shown around the opening framing. Starting from the door hinge side, fasten 1 tab at a time with 1 fastener. After each tab has 1 fastener installed, go back and install the remaining 2nd fastener. Step 15. Once all of the fasteners are installed, recheck the door frame for plumb and level. Congratulations, you successfully installed a hollow metal door frame. Thank you for following along with Door Installation 101. Stay tuned for more valuable tips and tutorials.